Welcome to Mustad Tips and Tricks. Here's my tip for getting a large extension from a Mustad LiBero hind shoe. So if we try the shoe on at this stage, this is way too narrow to give enough support to the cornery band and cover enough of the foot. Double fillering still wouldn't get enough width, so we're going to filler the backside, run a weld in there, and then double filler as we normally would to make a basic lateral extension. So I've just shortened this check up a little bit because it's going to stretch a lot with all the fillering. Okay, so just up with our fillering on the reverse side. Come right up to the heel nail, you want to use that anyway. That's already created some width. We're going to fill that with weld and then filler it 2 more times on the top side. Okay, so there's no real need to grind that can go straight back in the fire, ready to be fillered here like a normal extension. So the last stage is just to shape it up and bevel the remainder of my extension. Okay, you can see by the burn mark that I needed that width of bearing surface along with the extension, so double fillering wasn't going to be enough on its own. I needed that extra run of weld. Large lateral extension from a basic number 2 LiBero hind.